gorgeous. Whoa! Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, make sure you guys click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. But the other day I went to my local mall and walked my booty in and past H&M, and I saw a huge sign saying that the Ariana Grande merch was in store. I needed to go in, check it all out, and I may or may have not left with every single merch item they had in stores. Oops. I will link all the merch that I picked up down below for you guys. I definitely recommend checking it out. Everything is so cute and comfy and it's just so Ariana. I did notice though, they had even more merch online that's only exclusive to online and not sold in stores, so definitely check it out. But I am a huge Ariana Grande stan, as you guys could tell by the numerous Ariana Grande videos I have done on my channel over the years. So yeah, that's a thing. Comment down below who your celebrity crush is or who your favorite celebrity is. But on that note, let's just jump right into this video. I thought I would start off with the top I'm already wearing. So the first one is just this kind of like tie-dye, cotton candy tie-dye t-shirt. Everything is usually oversized for the most part. There's a couple things that are a little bit more fitted, but most of it's oversized because you guys know Ariana's style is so about oversized. She loves her oversized sweatshirts. I got a size small in this, but it is loose, which I absolutely love when things are a little bit more loose fitting. But I love the white and pink cotton candy skies, and of course it just says a thank you next across the chest, and it says Ariana Grande on the back of the t-shirt. Her song Thank You Next is seriously one of my favorite songs ever. I would low-key play some of it right now, but you know YouTube and their copyright rules are on another level right now. So we're not gonna do that, but you guys can play it at home while you watch this video. This is one of my favorites that I picked up. Super girly and fun and feminine. You could tie it up and wear it with some jean shorts, or you can wear it with some leggings. All of the merch is affordable as well. It's in H&M. H&M is a pretty affordable store. This t-shirt was only $17.99, and all the prices I'm telling you guys are in Canadian dollars. It's gonna be different for you guys, but these are just the Canadian prices. I know for Americans, it's cheaper for you guys. I bought a lot of Thank You Next merch because I'm so obsessed with that song, and it was so funny because my boyfriend actually bought me a birthday card, and on the birthday card it was like a reference to the Ariana Grande song Thank You Next. I will show you a clip of it right now. As you guys can see, I'm obsessed with it. Like, that made my birthday. It's literally one of the greatest girl anthem songs ever. Do you guys agree with me? This is the next one that I picked up. So it's just a black crop top sweater. Like I said, it has the Thank You Next across the chest, and then it always has the Ariana Grande on the back. And this one's pretty cool because it actually has a little like elastic band, so you can cinch the waist if you wanted to, or where it ends. But I love the black and the white. I actually saw that they had the exact same sweatshirts like this, but a longer version, so you could wear it kind of like a sweater dress. But that is an online exclusive, so I will link that down below. So I definitely think I'm gonna have to make an online order as well, just because they have a lot more online than they did in stores. But I also like having a good cropped sweater as well, and this is perfect. You could wear it in the winter time as well, summer nights. It's really nice, and it is lined inside, so it's fleece, so it is very warm. So in the winter time, this is going to be perfect. This sweatshirt does retail for $34.99, and I actually got it in a size small. The next one is a huge oversized hoodie. I love when she wears those oversized sweatshirts with her high boots. I think it is such a look, and I've always wanted a really big sweatshirt, but I never ever got one, and I just find sometimes it makes me look like I'm a potato sack because I'm so short, and I know Ariana is short too, but for some reason she always pulls it off. She is queen, so I was so happy that there was like huge sweatshirts for her merch line, and I honestly thought there would be because that is so her. But I actually love the one this looks. I would totally wear this with a pair of biker shorts. I got this in a size medium because I did want it even more oversized. It is still oversized with the size small, which is the size I typically wear, but I just tried both of them, and the medium was a little bit longer, so that's why I kind of wanted it. and it just has her face on it and it says 7 Rings, which is another girl anthem that I'm obsessed with and have that song on repeat way too many times. The back, of course, it says Ariana Grande, but it has a nice little hoodie and it has the drawstrings and it is fleece inside, so this is gonna keep you really warm. It is so cozy and comfortable. This one did retail for $39.99, which I thought was not a bad price. This is probably one of my favorites because I just love a good cozy sweatshirt moment, and this is that for you. I went ahead and picked up the other long sweatshirt version that she had. This one is a little bit different. It is in a beige kind of neutral cream color, and I got this one in a size small. This one's a lot longer, so that is why I got a size small, and it also has a huge pocket on the bottom of it, and it has like kind of like this little like cinching thing. It kind of does give it more of a dress look. If I had to choose the two, I prefer the black style one over this, but I still loved it, hence why I picked it up. This one doesn't say Ariana on the back, but it just has her picture on the front. So this is a little bit different, but I really like it. It does retail for the same price, $39.99. It is fleece lined inside, so it's gonna keep you warm, super comfortable. But I really love the cream color, I have to say, of this, because cream and tan colors are some of my favorite colors, but I barely have any clothing pieces in this color. So next is another t-shirt, and this one is so amazing. It's just her breakup with your girlfriend t-shirt in a heart. It does retail for $17.99 and I got a size small. This one is super fitted, so if you want it to be more loose, you definitely have to go up a size, but this is meant to be more of a tight one. It has a lot of stretch to it, so it's definitely going to be very form-fitting to your body. I just love this baby doll kind of pink color. It has definitely been my favorite color right now. I definitely have gotten back into pink so much. I love how so many of the pieces have that nice like baby doll pink color. So the next one I picked up is this Lilac T-shirt, and it just says the thank you next on it. So I loved both of these t-shirts, so I had to pick up both. I love the cotton candy with the thank you next, but I also loved this one. It just says thank you next in black. This is definitely oversized t-shirt, and it is a size small for $19.99. It retails for. It says her name in the back as always. And this is another one of my favorite colors. I really love like those pastel colors. You guys know I used to have my whole room as purple, and kind of like this color. My bathroom still is like this color, so purple is always still one of my favorite colors as well. This one definitely runs loose. Keep that in mind. If you want it a little bit more fitted, maybe go down a size, but I personally enjoy the loose fitted clothing. When I actually went to go pick up all these pieces and I checked out, the girl was like, what the heck, this girl is like obsessed with Ariana. She was kind of just judging me. I was like, yeah, I'm a stan, what can I say? The next piece that I got is this long sleeve shirt, and it's kind of like the sweatshirt, but just more of a fitted long sleeve shirt style, and it just has her picture. It says 7 Rings on it, and it's that tan beige color that I love. So I did get this in a size medium, so they do fit fitted, and because I wanted it to be a little bit more loose, it's still not like extremely loose or anything. Is she not like so stunning? Can someone tell me how? Oh my god. This one did retail for $19.99. And then I picked up a t-shirt with Queen on it because she just looks so beautiful, and if I'm gonna wear a shirt with someone's face on it, it's gonna be Ariana Grande. This one does retail for $19.99. I got a size small, so this one also does run really loose. It could be even nice to, honestly, you could even wear this like as a sleeve shirt. And the last thing I picked up is a t-shirt dress. So this is what it looks like. It just has the face of her again in 7 Rings, but it's super long. I actually got this in a size US 6. I didn't try it on, so I'm not sure if this is gonna be the right size for me, but I thought I wanted it to be long and loose, so hopefully it's fine. And this is just gonna be really cute with some biker shorts underneath. And this one's a little bit more, it's $29.99, but it is like supposed to be a t-shirt dress. And the collection at H&M was actually laid out so cute. They styled all the outfits really cute with other pieces from H&M, which I thought looked amazing. But I ended up just picking up just her merch for now. but they had so many cute pieces that I kind of want to go back and shop around and look at. But this is the last piece that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. I just love her and I love supporting her, so I just, you know, needed to take every single thing there was in my store. So sorry about that, because after I left it was a little bit more empty. Comment down below who your favorite celebrity is. I'm curious to know. Follow me on my socials. You could also shop my closet and purchase my merch if you would like. It will be in the description box down below. And like I said, I will have all the pieces and the collection linked down below for you guys to go check it out yourself and see what you guys like. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. It would mean so much if you guys join my YouTube family. We are getting closer and closer to 1 million. We're gonna get there soon, and I just can't, the day that comes, I don't even know what's gonna happen. I may or may not throw up. So on that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!